Welcome! This video tutorial provides detailed information for presenters to register, upload an abstract, confirm their payment, and upload a full paper. First, head over to snifib.ub.ac.id. Click the registration menu in the top right corner of the page. You can also click the register button. On the registration page, you'll find two registration processes. The first one is for participants, and the second one is for presenters. On this page, you can find clickable logos of the four seminars: Icon Laterals, ICEL, ISCS, and ICOLLEC. If you'd like to attend ISCS, select the Register option. This will bring you to ISCS registration form. Then, fill out the form provided and make sure that you click Submit. After filling out the form, go back to the registration page. To create an account on OCS, Open Conference System, click the Submit Abstract option. Enter your personal information, including your given name, family name, affiliation, and country of origin. The following information is required to be used when you log into your account. Enter your email, create a username and password, and repeat the password. Check the first checkbox to indicate that you agree to have your metadata collected and stored. Then, check the second checkbox to be notified of new publications and announcements. Check the third checkbox if you would like to be a reviewer. If you don't want to, you may leave it blank. Lastly, check the reCAPTCHA verification and click Register. Once the account is registered, click Make a new submission to submit your abstract. There are 5 steps to complete your abstract submission. As part of the submission process, you are required to check off your submission's compliance with all of the following items. Next, check the 2 checkboxes to indicate that you would like to be contacted about this submission and that you agree to have your data collected and stored according to the privacy statement. Click Save and Continue. The Upload Submission tab allows you to upload your abstract file. Click Add File and choose your abstract file. Since this is an initial submission, make sure you click Abstract. Click Save and Continue. The Enter Metadata tab requires you to explain the metadata of your abstract. Enter the title, followed by the abstract. you'll find your name in the list of contributors as the author of the abstract. You can add the name of your co-authors by clicking the Add Contributor button. Then, enter the keywords and press Enter after each item. Click Save and Continue. The Confirmation tab provides information that your submission has been uploaded and is ready to be sent. You may go back to review and adjust any of the information you have entered before continuing. When you're ready, click Finish Submission. The final tab shows that you have completed the abstract submission. Go to your profile in the top right corner of your screen and click Logout. Your abstract will be reviewed for approximately 1 week. If your abstract is accepted, please make a payment via a registered virtual account in payment method. The information is available on the website's homepage. On the website's homepage, scroll down to find the payment method information. For national presenters, make a payment via BRI or BNI. For international presenters, make a payment via Universitas Brawijaya Electronic Data Capture. The SWIFT code information for BNI is available here. To confirm your payment, select the Payment Confirmation option on the registration page. You will be prompted to choose a Google account and enter your password. Then, you will be directed to the Payment Confirmation form. Indicate that you have made the payment, enter the date of payment, the amount, the account holder, as well as bank and reference number or record. Finally, please upload your proof of payment. Name the file as follows: your full name, underscore, date, month, and year. Drop your PDF or JPG file or upload it from your device. Click Submit. Following payment confirmation, complete the full paper manuscript and submit it on the full paper option. Submit your full paper using ICES. Please log in and select New Submission. The next steps are the same as when submitting the abstract. Click on the full paper option, and then you will need to log in to your registered account. On this page, you will find your abstract submission. To upload your full paper, click New Submission button. To start, you are required to check off your submission's compliance with all of the following items. Then, check the checkbox, click Save and Continue. The second step is to upload your full paper. Click Add File and choose your full paper file. Make sure you select full paper. Click Save and Continue. The third step is to enter the metadata of your full paper. Enter the title, followed by the abstract. You'll find your name in the list of contributors as the author of the paper. You can add the name of your co-authors by clicking the Add Contributor button. Then, enter the keywords. Press Enter after each item. Click Save and Continue. The next step provides information that your submission has been uploaded and is ready to be sent. You may go back to review and adjust any of the information you have entered before continuing. When you're ready, click Finish Submission. When you click Return to your dashboard, you'll find your abstract and full paper submissions. To track the status of your submission, click the View button. You'll find the summary of your submission, as well as the progress of the review, copy editing, and production. To log out, go to your profile in the top right corner of your screen. You can go back to this page later by clicking the full paper option.